Looking to print small quantity ice cream cups? Look no further. Head down to shop.dillicpackaging.com. Drag your cursor over customized packaging. Here, the drop down will lead you all the way down to customized ice cream cups. The moment you reach this page, you will see that we have got many different sizes which are available for you. You have 16 ounce, 12 ounce, 8 ounce, 5 ounce, 3 ounce. If you have decided on whatever size that you want, we can do the lids as well as your ice cream cup. Pricing is located at this site as well, and you will also be prompted to watch a video about the detailed instructions of how to order your ice cream cups. Once you have decided, fill in the quantity, click add to cart, and you are good to go.